Eco-aparthotel, the Dreamers Club, in Croatia. The Dreamers Club, located on the Croatian island of Korcula, is the newest member of the Green Pearls network of non-profit organizations. The Eco-aparthotel in Lumbarda was inspired by an ancient derelict stone structure that was totally reconstructed environmentally and restored to its traditional architecture. There are 6 self-contained studio apartments at the hotel, which is located only 150 meters from the beach. There is also a spacious garden area with a sun deck, playground, and wooden lounge. The services provided include an ecological breakfast, tapas, cocktails, and other beverages offered either in the garden lounge or, upon request, in the lodging apartments or on the connected terraces of the property. Adriatic Pearls, the company behind the Dreamers Club and the organizer and marketer of the trip, is particularly concerned about responsible tourism and protecting the island archipelago of Korcula. Additionally, this is evident in the deployment of additional sustainable accommodation properties managed by the organization. Because of this, Adriatic Pearls has made the right move by putting the Apart Hotel on the Green Pearls platform.